Q. Today, I want to encourage the grade 12 student to choose a career teaching and her talk about teaching as both a mission and profession. Teaching is not just about earning money, it is about serving others and helping students to achieve their dreams. It is a special responsibility because teachers help shape the minds and future of students. Every lesson taught can influence student life. That is why teaching is considered one of the most important careers in our society. One of the most noble and rewarding profession you can consider is teacher education. Teaching is not just about standing in front of a classroom and delivering lesson. It is about inspiring minds, shaping character, and guiding students towards success. Teacher always play a vital role in building the foundation of every profession, making them essential in the development of society. Grade 12 students, you are now approaching one of the most important decisions in your life. Choosing the career path you will pursue the future. This moment may feel exciting and challenging. At the same time, as it will shape not only your personal goals but also the kind of impact you will have on others. With so many options available, it is important to choose a path that meaningful, fulfilling, and aligned with your passion. If you have the passion to help others learn, the passion to guide your young minds, and the desire to make a difference, then teaching could be the perfect path for you. It is a career that allows you to share your knowledge, influence lives, and become a source of inspiration for many students who look up to you. Today, I encourage you to open your minds and hearts to the responsibility of becoming future educators. As we explore the importance of value of teaching education, I hope you will see how this profession can not only shape the future of others, but also give purpose and meaning to your own life. Teaching is a mission because teachers dedicate their time and effort to guide students. They help learners not only in academics but also in building good values like respect, honesty, and responsibility. Teaching is called a mission because it involves dedication and passion. Teachers do not only teach lesson, they care for their student, they guide them, support them, and help them become better individuals. This shows that teaching comes from the heart. Teaching is also a profession because it requires skills, knowledge, and proper training. Teachers study in college, pass exam, and continue learning. Through seminars, this shows that teaching is a respected and professional career. At the same time, teaching is also a profession. It requires proper education, training, and skills. This shows that teaching is a serious and respected career that requires preparation and continuous learning. Impact of teacher. Teacher have a big impact on students' lives. Many successful people today were inspired by their teachers. A good teacher can change a student future by encouraging them to study hard and believe in themselves. Teachers have a strong impact on students' lives. Many successful people today remember a teacher who inspired them. A teacher can encourage a student to believe in themselves and reach their dreams. This is why teachers are very important in shaping the future of individuals and society. Rights of teacher. Teachers have rights such as receiving fair salary, being treated with respect, having a safe working environment, access to training and development. These rights protect teachers and help them to do their job well. Teachers have rights that protect them in their professions. They have the right to receive a fair salary for their hard work. They also have the right to be respected by students, parents, and the community. Teachers have the right to work in a safe environment and to express their ideas in teaching. These rights help teachers feel secure and motivated in their job. To all grade 12 students, if you love helping others and sharing knowledge, teaching is a great choice. You can inspire, guide, and shape the future generation. I encourage you to consider teaching as your future career. If you enjoy helping others, sharing knowledge, and making a difference, teaching is a good choice. It may be challenging, but it also fulfilling the meaningful. It is challenging, but meaningful. Choosing teachers' education is not just about selecting a degree. It is about embracing a meaningful mission that shapes individual and transform communities. Teaching is one of the most important profession in the world because it builds the foundation of all other careers. Every doctor, engineer, leader, and professional once sat in a classroom guided by a teacher. By choosing this path, you are becoming part of something bigger than yourself. A profession that has the power to influence lives, inspire dreams, and create a better future for everyone. Grade 12 student, you are now at a turning point in your life where your decision will help define your future. If you have the passion to share knowledge, the patience to guide learners, and the heart to uplift others, then teachers' education is a path worth taking. Teaching is not always easy. It requires dedication, understanding, and hard work. But it also one of the most fulfilling careers you can choose. Seeing your student grow, succeed, and achieve their dreams because of your guidance is a reward that no amount of money can replace. In addition, the teaching profession offers many opportunities for personal and professional growth. As a teacher, you will continue learning every day, improving your skills and adapting to new ideas and methods. You will develop confidence, communication skills, and leadership abilities that will help you not only in your career but also in your life. Teaching also provides stability and respect. As educators are valued members of society who play a vital role in nation building. Furthermore, being a teachers allow you to become a role model and a source of inspiration of your student. You are not just teaching lesson from books, you are teaching values, discipline, and life skills that student will carry with them forever. You have the chance to change life, especially for those who need guidance and encouragement. The most the influence of a good teacher can last a lifetime, making this profession truly impactful and meaningful. Therefore, as you prepare to take the next steps in your journey, consider teaching education as a noble and rewarding choice. We have enough to follow a path that serves others and makes a difference. The world needs more passionate and dedicated and passionate teachers who are willing to shape the future generation. Always remember, a single teacher can change countless lives, and that teacher could be you. Thank you for listening, and We hope you will consider becoming a teacher someday. Thank you.